Hey everyone, I've got 500 lifetime Canva Pro accounts up for grabs for free, but here's the catch. You've got to watch until the very end and find the code which will appear towards the end of this video to snag your unique code. Imagine unlimited premium templates, brand kits, animated graphics for free, and it's yours for life. But remember, if you'll miss the code. So grab your popcorn, buckle up, and let's dive in. Here's exactly what you need to do before you can claim your Pro access. Step 1. Subscribe and ring the bell. If you haven't already, hit subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on epic giveaways like this. Only subscribers will be eligible. Step 2. Like and comment. Smash that like button now and drop a comment telling me which Canva Pro feature you're most pumped to use. Magic Resize, brand kit, premium templates. Your comment not only helps us out, it could make you the next featured creator. Step 3. Share the love. Share this video on Instagram stories, Twitter, or Facebook, and tag 2 friends who need Canva Pro in their life. This helps our community grow. Plus, it shows me you're serious about leveling up your designs. Complete all 3 steps before you reach the end, because that's where the code will appear towards the end of this video. Only the first 500 people to watch through and follow these steps will be able to redeem for a lifetime Pro account, so stay tuned. And there it is, your exclusive code. Copy it now, head over to https://www.canva.com/class/join. Paste your code and claim your lifetime Canva Pro for free. Alternatively, click the second link in the description to access the Pro account. Congrats to the first 500. You're officially unstoppable designers. If you got a code, drop the trophy below and let's celebrate. See you in the next video.